Physical significance of moment of inertia. Physical significance of moment of inertia. Okay. Moment of inertia plays the same role in rotatory motion as mass does in linear motion. Is that moment of inertia is an analogous of mass in linear motion. Okay. According to Newton's first law of motion, a body continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless some external force acts upon it. This property of matter is known as inertia. This property of matter is known as inertia. A body always resists an external force tending to change its state of rest or linear motion. Okay? Greater the mass of the body, greater is force required to produce a given linear acceleration. Okay? A body always resists an external force tending to change its state of rest or linear motion okay. A body always resists an external force tending to change its state of rest or of linear motion. Okay. Greater the mass of the body, greater is the force required. Greater is the force required to produce a given linear acceleration. To produce a given linear acceleration. Okay. Okay, sir. Similarly, body passes rotational inertia. Is that a body free to rotate about an axis opposes any change in its state of rest or of rotation. Greater the moment of inertia of a body, greater is the couple required to produce a given angular acceleration. Okay. Similarly, body passes rotational inertia. Bodies passes rotational inertia. Body passes to rotational inertia. Is that a body free to rotate about an axis opposes any change in state of rest or of rotation. Greater the moment of inertia, Greater the moment of inertia of a body, greater is of a body, greater is of a body, greater is the couple required, is the couple required, greater is the couple required to produce a given number, required to produce a given angular acceleration, a given angular acceleration, okay, angular acceleration. Similarly, body passes rotational inertia is that a body free to rotate about an axis opposes any change in state of rest or of rotation. Greater the moment of inertia of body, greater is the couple required to produce a given angular acceleration. Okay. If a solid disk and a wheel have the same mass, will have a greater moment of inertia as the mass in it is distributed at larger distances from the axis of rotation passing through the center. The analogy between the moment of inertia in rotational motion and mass in a linear motion will be clear from the similarly in the rotation for momentum. Force, impulses, energy and work as illustrated below. Analogy between the translatory motion and rotatory motion. Analogy technology, the comparison of balance, molecular orbital